Our new jam in a jiffy, now with vitamin C.
I'm Candy, this is Braylon, and today we're going to show you jam in a jiffy dressed up. What do we have, Braylon?
Oh yes, so we've got a few elegant desserts that you can make. They're super simple. This right here is a Swiss roll.
I love that,
and
so pretty.
It's a chocolate cake with whipped cream filling and then strawberry jam in a jiffy. And you can also use a cream cheese filling. You can change up the flavors of your jam in a jiffy.
And the recipe that Braylon used will be down below, or you can look on our website, cornabys.com.
Yes.
What's our next
one?
Then
we've got strawberry pie. This seriously is so simple to make. You cut up the strawberries, stir in the jam in a jiffy, and fill your pie shell, and that's that.
It looks so glazed and pretty. That's just jam in a jiffy,
it's
nothing
just
else?
Jam in a
That's
jiffy
amazing.
on top.
Huh.
Crazy, huh? And then we've got cheesecake over here. And this one has...
Who doesn't love cheesecake?
Honestly, though.
We may have tested this a little bit too much. Our personal recommendations are kiwi and strawberry, but this one has one.
Yeah, this one has the blueberry jam in a jiffy on the top.
Which is
super
so good.
yummy. Yep. And then this is a trifle. It's made with angel food cake, jam in a jiffy, and whipped cream. But you can use your favorite cake. You don't have to add the whipped cream, but it does taste good. And then we've topped it with fresh fruit.
And such a pretty presentation with that fruit on top. If you'd like to see more videos like this, like and subscribe below, and we'll put the recipe for that Swiss roll down below as well. All right, have a great day.
Okay, bye.
Bye.